Hello dear friends, Namaskara and hearty welcome. In the series of Introduction to Vedic Astrology, in the two previous videos, I have covered planets, houses, bhavas or houses, their categorizations, significations and properties. In this video, I propose to cover nakshatras, Navatara chakra, placement of nakshatras in the zodiac signs, Vimshottari Dasa, and that's all. Now let us dive into the subject. The word nakshatra is thought to arise from these combinations. One is Naksh plus Kshetra, that is region and sky, that is region in the sky where this nakshatra is placed. The other is Naksha plus Tara, that is Nakshatra, that is map and star, that is the position of the star in the map. There are 27 nakshatras in Indian astrology. These names, of course, you will come to know in the course of this thing. These are arranged in 3 sets of 9 each, and there are 9 planets owning these or lording over these stars. Now, let us look at this chart. The nakshatras are Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigasira, Arudra, Punarvasu, Pushyami, Aslesha. These come under first cycle. Magha, Purva Falguni, Uttara Falguni, Hasta, Chitra, Swati, Visakha, Anuradha, Jyeshta. These come in the second cycle. Third cycle consists of Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Shravana, Dhanishta, Shatabhishak, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra, Revati. These are 9 stars each into 3 groups, that is 27 nakshatras. These are owned respectively by Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Ashwini, Magha and Moola nakshatras lorded by Ketu. Venus owns Bharani, Purva Falguni and Purvashada nakshatras. Sun owns Kritika, Uttara Falguni, Uttarashadha. Moon lords over Rohini, Hasta, Shravana. Mars lords over Mrigasira, Chitta, Dhanishta. Rahu rules Arudra, Swati, Shatabhishak. Jupiter rules Punarvasu, Visakha, Purvabhadra. Saturn rules Pushyami, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra. Mercury rules Aslesha, Jyeshta and Revati. Each nakshatra is of the span of 13 degrees and 20 minutes. Each nakshatra has 4 quadrants or padas. So each pada gets 3 degrees and 20 minutes. 4 into 3 degrees 20 minutes comes to 13 degrees 20 minutes. These 4 padas are supposed to represent dharma, artha, kama and moksha. In the zodiac, we know that there are 12 zodiac signs, each having a span of 30 degrees and totaling to 360 degrees in total. Thus, each zodiac sign can accommodate only 2 full nakshatras and a quarter of another nakshatra. That is 13 minutes and 20 degrees, 13 degrees and 20 minutes plus 3 degrees and 20 minutes, which comes to 30 degrees. Now, please look at the circular speculum in which the nakshatras get distributed. The first of the zodiac signs is Aries and the first of the nakshatras is Ashwini. So, Aries zodiac sign will contain full nakshatra of Ashwini, full nakshatra of Bharani and first quarter of Kritika nakshatra. Next, Taurus will contain balanced 3 quarters of Kritika followed by Rohini and 2 padas of Mrigasira, and this speculum continues so on. Now, these 27 nakshatras having 4 padas each, that is 108 padas in total. Similarly, each zodiac sign accommodates 9 padas and there are 12 signs. 12 into 9 is again 108. So, this way the 27 nakshatras get perfectly placed in the 12 zodiac signs. That is why whenever you are making prayers or chanting mantra in Indian religiosity, you are asked to repeat that mantra or prayer 108 times. That is its significance. Now, let us move to Gandanta Nakshatras. Gand means tie or knot, K-N-O-T knot. Anta means end. Now, Cancer is a water sign and Leo is a fire sign. The last nakshatra of Cancer sign is Aslesha and first nakshatra of Leo sign is Magha. Similarly, Scorpio sign is a watery sign, Sagittarius sign is a fire sign. Scorpio signs end with Jyeshtha nakshatra and Sagittarius begins with Mula nakshatra. Similarly, Pisces is a water sign and Aries is a fire sign. Pisces ends with full Revati nakshatra and Aries starts with Ashwini nakshatra. Transition from water sign to fire sign is always considered very intense, complex and problematic. That is the reason why Aslesha Magha, Jyeshtha Mula, and Revati and Ashwini are called Gandanta Nakshatras and they will experience this intense, complex transition from water sign to fire sign. Now, nakshatras are also classified by their nature and properties. There are 7 groups of these classifications and they will appear on the screen, and let me read out them for your benefit. Type of classifications: first, stars are next and their results are later. Shipra or Laghu. In this category, stars included are Ashwini, Pushya, Hasta and Abhijit. Result: these Shipra nakshatras are swift and light. They are good for quick results and for starting medication, trade or commercial transactions, travel, etc., where you want a quick closure. Next category is Sthira or Dhruva nakshatras. This category includes Rohini, Uttara Falguni, Uttarashada, Uttara Bhadrapada. These are best because these are Sthira nakshatras. They are best for planting trees, laying building foundations, coronation and permanent investments which are supposed to last long. Next category is Mridu nakshatras. These are Mrigasira, Chitta, Anuradha and Revati. These are best for celebrations, learning fine arts, wearing new clothes, ornaments, conjugal activities, etc. Following category is Chara or movable or dynamic nakshatras. These are Punarvasu, Swati, Shravana, Dhanishta and Satabhisha. Because these are Chara nakshatras, these are suitable for buying vehicles, gardening, processions and travel. Next category is Ugra. Ugra means fierce or severe. This category includes Bharani, Magha, Purva Falguni, Purvashada, Purva Bhadrapada. These nakshatras are suitable for dealing with enemies, conflicts, handling sharp and dangerous tools because they are fierce in nature. Next category is Tikshna, means sharp or dreadful. These nakshatras include Ardra, Aslesha, Jyeshtha and Mula. These are suitable for intense and hidden actions such as murders, removing obstacles, black magic and other spells. The last category is Mishra or mixed category. This category includes Kritika and Vishakha nakshatras. These are suitable for routine tasks, fire rituals, worshipping, etc. Next, we will understand what is Navatara classification of nakshatras. Suppose you are born in a particular nakshatra. What does it mean? That means at the time of your birth, moon is placed in that nakshatra. That is called birth nakshatra. Based on this birth nakshatra, there are 9 categories or Navatara system of classification of nakshatras or stars or asterisms. So please see the table. 1, 10 and 19 nakshatras fall into one category. Next, 2, 11, 20 fall into another category. 3, 12, 21 another category. And like that, the last category comes to 9, 18 and 27. Thus, there are 9 groupings. These are called 1, 10, 19. Here the 1 refers to birth nakshatra or Janma nakshatra. So 1, 10, 19 stars are called as Janmataras. These are very good for spiritual activities, Upanayana, healing, etc. Next category is Sampattara. or money star. These are 2, 11 and 20. These are good for money related matters such as investments, sale, purchase transactions. The next category is Vipattara. Vipat means accident or danger. These include star numbers 3, 12, 21. Vipat means danger. This category of stars will create hurdles, obstacles in the activity of the native. Avoid doing anything other than the routine work. Avoid risky activities at all times. Next category is Kshematara. Kshema means safe and secure or welfare. These are 4, 13 and 22 stars. Conducting ceremonies and auspicious life events are good for this. They are good for reconciliation and healing also. Next category is Pratyak or Pratyari Tara. Pratyak means opposition, enemy. These are 5, 14 and 23 nakshatras. Pratyak means opposition, causes hurdles and difficulties. Best to avoid any new activity when these stars are prevalent. Next category is Sadhana Tara. These are 6, 15 and 24. This sadhana means achievement or success. These are very good for launching new activities, new projects or initiatives. These nakshatras will ensure success. Next category is Nidhan or Naidhan Tara. Nidhan means death. Nidhan or Naidhan Tara, this group consists of 7, 16 and 25 numbers of nakshatras. Naidhan means death or destruction. This causes setbacks. Good only for closing chapters or giving up bad habits, etc. Avoid any other important activity. Next category is Mitra Tara. These are 8, 17 and 26. Good for building alliances, partnerships, seeking favors, socializing, networking, etc. Thus, Mitra Taras will bless these activities. Next is Atimitra Tara. These stars are 9, 18 and 27. These are very safe category of nakshatras. These are very good for undergoing surgeries, treatments, deep relationships and partnerships. Here I again repeat that these nakshatras are classified from your birth star. Your birth star number is 1 and 2, 3, 4. They progress in the same logical series of the nakshatras. This completes the Navatara system. Now you could understand that categories Vipattara, Pratyaktara and Naidhanatara are always to be avoided, and Janmatara is suitable only for certain activities. Other taras like Sampattara, Kshematara, Sadhanatara, Mitratara and Atimitratara are good, and they are suitable for different types of activities depending on their signification. Now let us understand Vimshottari Dasha system. Vimshottari means Vimsha plus Uttari. Vimsha means 20 and Uttari means after. This is 20 after 100, that is 120 years. Our sages have considered 120 years as the maximum lifespan of human beings. That is why this Dasha system is having 120 years. Please look at the table. This Dasha system follows Ketu, then Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Please look at the table. Ketu Dasha lasts for 7 years. Venus Dasha lasts for 20 years. Sun Dasha lasts for 6 years. Moon Dasha lasts for 10 years. Mars Dasha for 7 years. And Rahu Dasha for 18 years. Jupiter Dasha for 16 years. Saturn Dasha for 19 years. And Mercury Dasha for 17 years. When you add all these figures, it will come to 120. This is the full lifespan of a human being. Now, Vimshottari Dasha. Vimshottari Dasha always originates from the birth star of the individual. Suppose a person is born in Ashwini Nakshatra. The lord of Ashwini Makha Mula Nakshatras is Ketu. So, the first Mahadasha of Ashwini Nakshatra born person is Ketu Dasha, followed by Venus, followed by Sun, Moon, etc. Similarly, if somebody is born in Bharani Nakshatra, his first Mahadasha will be that of Venus, followed by Sun, Moon, like that. Now, this way all nakshatras, all groups of nakshatras will generate dasha periods as per the lordships. Now, this each Mahadasha, these are called Mahadashas. Ketu Mahadasha, Venus Mahadasha, Sun Mahadasha, and so on. Each Mahadasha will have 9 Antardashas represented by all the 9 planets. That way, Ketu Mahadasha has 9 Antardashas starting from Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, etc. Similarly, all dashas. In every Mahadasha, the first Antardasha belongs to the same planet. Venus Mahadasha starts with Venus Antardasha, Sun Mahadasha starts with Sun Antardasha. And sequence is the same. That is Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, etc. So, this way, now let us understand how to calculate the Antardasha period. Suppose Ketu Dasha is there. There are 9 Antardashas of Ketu, Venus, etc. Ketu is allotted 7 years. So, how to calculate the Ketu Mahadasha, Ketu Antardasha or Ketu major and Ketu minor periods? Now, look at this way. The Antardasha period, the main Dasha period is 7 years and it contributes 7 years to the overall 120 year span. So, the Ketu Antardasha is 7 into 7 by 120 into 360 days. That will be the Ketu Antardasha period. Similarly, Venus Antardasha is 7 into 20 by 120 into 360. That will work out to 420 days. Ketu is 147 days. Ketu Venus is 420 days. This is the method by which you have to calculate the Antardasha periods. Similarly, each Antardasha will have 9 Pratyantardashas. The same Antardasha Lord, the Pratyantardashas also start with Lord of the Antardasha and the calculation methodology is the same. Pratyantardashas are smaller. Mahadasha is the Lord of that Dasha. Antardasha will understand the signification of Mahadasha Lord, Antardasha Lord and Pratyantardasha Lord like this. Mahadasha Lord is the boss and it allocates different duties to the different individual planets. These are 9 planets. This is how the system of work goes on. And Pratyantardashas are peons of this Antardasha Lords. They will delegate the suitable work to them. This is how we should understand Pratyantardasha, Antardasha and Mahadasha. This concludes this video. I hope you have liked this video, and in case you have liked this video, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button. I'll keep on posting videos interesting astrological topics. Have a great day. Thank you.